Yo, Chef Brode, or maybe Brode Bakes. We'll begin making some peanut butter cookies, and I'm gonna throw in these RSO tubes. Got them both for $12, so I'm making a $24 batch of cookies here. Uno. Dos. Trace. Alright, so I'm putting about 2 syringes. One of them's about 500, the other one's about 700 something. But when I added them up, they're both about 1,300 milligrams. Wisp, wisp, wisp. Quattro. Mach 1. Oh, don't forget those. Don't forget the little lines. Those are important. So, cinco. 375 for 11 minutes. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, y'all. I got each one of these is about 80, give or take. So, drop a like if you enjoyed.